Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the main specific point for the web services adapter, and we call XML file, extensible markup language file. And in this process, today we are going to see how the system, TM system, SAP TM system is going to communicate with the SAP EWM system. So the basic things which I am going to explain you here, okay, we will see here. And generally what happens, in the transport management system, we create the freight units, okay, we create the freight orders, we create the freight units. In the generally EWM side, we have one of the concept we call post-processing framework. We use post-processing framework in the EWM side to trigger the automatically processes, such as if you want to print the delivery note, if you would like to print warehouse orders, if you want to trigger automatically faxes, if you want to trigger automatically mails. So here we have the multiple functionalities can be achieved through the post-processing framework, which is the heart of SAP EWM. So post-processing framework works based on the condition technique, condition records, and access sequence. We have the condition table. Condition table holds condition records, and all this processes triggers through the access sequence. So for an example, in the EWM side, if we want to print automatically some of the warehouse orders, so we use the post-processing framework. Okay, we do the configuration PPF. PPF contains action definitions, action methods. Through the post-processing framework, we trigger the process automatically. Then form will be printed in the form of smart forms, Adobe forms, script forms. Okay. So here PPF plays the major role, the automation to trigger automatically the process. When we talk about SAP transport management and EWM integration, so in transport management and EWM integration, we have the concepts, few of the pillars, which is the post-processing framework.